Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Financial Freedom with Velvet. Came on here to do a video on the website OneDayRewards to let you guys know that this is another get paid to site. I just recently uploaded a video about Prize Rebel. I hope you guys like that video. But I'm going to start tuning into OneDayRewards only because it's a site where you can cash out at 10 cents, you guys. I've heard of $1. This is the lowest, but 10 cents. You can cash out 10 cents on this site. I've cashed out twice on this site in one day. Twice. But it was only 24 cents. But it was been, I cashed out 12 cents twice. But it added up to what, 24 cents? Not a big deal. But I wanted to throw something out there. I think that when you cash out to PayPal, I believe they charge you a 32 if it's more. If you just cash out 10 cents, and if it's like 50, if it's 40 or higher, if you get 40 cents or higher, I believe PayPal charges a 32% fee. Or they take out 32 cents or whatever. I don't know how that works. But I noticed that when I went to check my balance, I was supposed to have 64 cents in there. And I didn't have that. So I realized that PayPal takes out a fee of when you send it over to PayPal. If it's $40 or higher, they take out a fee. So my opinion to you guys is just cash out when you 10 cents. Only because they can't really take nothing from that. And I know 10 cents it's small, but it adds up. Okay? Now, if you cash out say $2.87, you're still gonna get the $2, I believe, because I don't know how much their fee is, but I would have to look at that. Matter of fact, they have an FAQ right here. I don't know. And this is a worldwide opportunity, okay? Payments are processed. They're sent 3 times per day, 12 noon, 6 p.m., and 11 p.m., okay? This site was launched in 2016, January 25th. Okay. It doesn't say nothing about fees. But let me click on tools here. Like I said, I don't know. Hold on one second, you guys. I'm gonna go to PayPal and check my balance. Okay. So you see, I've used this recently, so it's 25 cents left in my thing here. So okay. So as you guys see here, this is my one-day rewards. It's 26 cents, 24 cents. Okay. I've cashed out twice on this site. I'm trying to find out something here. Let me click on it and find it so you guys can see. So yeah, it was 58 cents. They took out 32 cents. So if it's 40 or higher, they take out 32 cents. Okay? You guys see that with your own eyes, because I was supposed to get 50 cents. I was supposed to have $1 right now on my PayPal. Before I spent it, it was 50 cents, and once this would have got there, it would have been like probably $1.08. But because they took 32 cents out, it gave me 26 cents instead. So keep that in mind when you're cashing out. Just cash out 10 cents and make it easier. It's up to you what you want to do, but this is what I would suggest. If you're going to cash out, higher than 10 cents, remember they take 32 cents out. Okay, and we're going to go over here to withdraw cash so I can show you guys all they offer. Okay, they have AirTim. I don't know what that is. AirTM. I don't know what that is. It's a way to withdraw cash, I believe. They have Zelle, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Circle, which is withdraw to your Circle account. That's basically a Circle card, I believe. Dogecoin wallet, Ethereum. That's weird. I don't see PayPal on here. Huh. Maybe it's because I don't have enough to cash out yet. That's why it hasn't showed PayPal. But Cash App was on here. I saw it in one of the videos. They have Cash App. If you have the Cash App, you can cash out to Cash App. I have the Cash App, so I might be cashing out to my Cash App from now on instead of PayPal. Because there have been some things going on with PayPal. You'd have to look it up on YouTube. I can't really explain it. I just know that if take me for instance, I don't make a lot of money when I cash out to PayPal. When I get paid to PayPal, it's $5 here, $10 there, $2, $3. It's not in the hundreds. Okay, so from what I hear, if you're cashing out or getting payments sent to your PayPal that are 100 or more, to them it looks a little suspicious. Okay, because you weren't bringing in that type of money before. So watch YouTube videos on it because I hear that if they find if your amounts are higher than what you usually bring in, they shut down your account. Okay, so keep that in mind. Look it up on YouTube. Do research on it before you start wanting to use PayPal. Okay, PayPal's a good site. Don't worry. But I still use it for now. But eventually, I'm gonna be using something else. But yeah, you have S'mores TV. Let's see here. The one thing I love about the site is it keeps track of your referrals. You get to find out where your referrals came from, and it tells you their username. All my referrals are coming from YouTube. Shows when they were last active on the site, when they joined, how much cash did they earn, how many points they have. See, they're actually active on the site. I can tell you that. This person just joined on the 18th, so he or she has not been that active. But I like this because it shows me where my referrals are coming from. And lately it's been YouTube. Okay? So, these are the offer walls. You guys can choose to do whatever you want. I do the tap research. I do the paid to click wall, add click wall, and probably the peanut labs. I'm not really doing any surveys right now on this site, but speaking of which, let me see. I haven't really checked into the surveys yet. But yeah, this is a good site, you guys. You can cash out at 10 cents. Dude, 10 cents is a lot. It's not a lot to get to, but you can cash out at 10 cents. Okay, so I showed you the fee that PayPal charges when you cash out more than 40 cents. If you cash out 40 cents or more, I showed you my referrals that I'm getting and where they're coming from. I showed you the offer walls and how to convert your points to cash. You just click on convert points. Right here, the very top one, you're going to convert your points to cash. So you're going to take your balance and enter whatever it is, and it's going to convert to cash. So that way you can turn it in, so you can send it to PayPal when you get 10 cents. Okay? This is to convert your cash to points. Now, I don't know why you want to do that unless you need points. You're using your points for something. But other than that, it's all good. Okay, so this is my referral link if you guys want to copy that down. I left it in one of my previous videos, but I'll leave it below in the description again so you guys can sign up if you want. Like I said, this site, it really does work. I've cashed out twice already. 3 times, actually. I cashed out 24 cents, then at 58 cents. I actually had 50 cents in my PayPal, and that 58 cents, if they hadn't taken any fee out, I would have had $1.08 in my PayPal. But no big deal. Stuff happens. So, yeah, I'm just gonna keep moving forward, keep going, keep promoting, keep telling you guys about it. But yeah, OneDayRewards is an awesome site. I would sign up as fast as I can. Alright, you guys, I'll see you guys in future videos.